Right now, here at 5 o'clock, a Louisville man accused of rape and sodomy 2 years ago back in a courtroom today, now indicted again on those same charges. It's our top story at 5 o'clock. Hello, everybody. I'm Doug Proffitt.
And I'm Shay McAllister. Antonio Coleman has been entangled in the legal system for years. Most recently, he was accused of exposing himself to women near downtown Louisville.
Senior reporter Isaiah Kim Martinez and photojournalist Emma Gefter explain how this case could move forward.
In a surprising turn of events, the Commonwealth's attorney has decided to pursue Antonio Coleman's 2022 rape case again. It was dismissed last year, but prosecutors believe their case this time around will yield a different result.
We have been in contact with the victim. He is willing to testify this time, so that is why we believe that the outcome in this procedure would be different than the last.
In what has become a repeated cycle, 31-year-old Antonio Coleman back in a Jefferson County courtroom Thursday. He's been ruled incompetent to stand trial a handful of times in just the last couple years alone, most recently in May, meaning he continuously has been entered into psychiatric hospitals and then eventually released back to the public.
Why is he back in jail? He doesn't understand why he's back in jail. He doesn't understand what's happening here, like what we're trying to do, or what the Commonwealth is trying to do.
In the 2022 rape case, the judge said there wasn't sufficient evidence to support the charges. Coleman, who's been at Central State Hospital since last month, sat quiet during the hearing. His defense attorneys argue nothing has changed since 2022. They say Coleman remains intellectually disabled. They told the judge that retrying this case is cruel and unusual punishment.
We believe that it is improper and unconstitutional for a person to be indicted, for that person's case to be presented to be indicted, when the Commonwealth knows full well that he is not competent and that there is zero possibility that he's going to attain competence in the foreseeable future.
Under state law, there is an avenue for Coleman to be involuntarily committed into a correctional psychiatric center. That's if he's proved to be a danger to society. But to do that, a judge must rule there is sufficient evidence to support his guilt of the crimes. Back in 2022, that was denied. The question, whether that happens again. Isaiah Kim Martinez, WHAS 11 on your side.
Antonio Coleman and his attorneys are due back in court on July the 12th.
That's when the judge is expected to decide on the defense's request to dismiss this case.